Hello guys, this is your range rate. If you get range, again, size extinct to the tank is like I think, and thanks. These are the tanks next to the tank site, and the Technica ATH-M50x. You think must be like dangling the drink right this blank drinks. Thanks. I think that and the tank sinks and the tank says thanks. But then it doesn't take that and then there's something like gates for things. Okay. That tank. So I've got print, the site, the type, that, and the what they the landings, the crates, okay, okay. And frames. Those are like hinge, as you can see. Good, very high, thanks. But really, the right, so let's get to that at that face. That's right, okay. Those good tanks. Okay. And there's the alright. Got right. Okay, so the tank state. There's a tank state. So that that's good. You can see the strengths. The ranks. And the full right, the strengths. So the dragging. Can't take right. That's great. Oh, that tanks, there's like cranks like drags. And got that tank sitting under the drinks. Okay, that sinks cranks. Get that camera, that. And got that. Get that things. Okay, thanks. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Okay. So, I think so. Alright. So I've got the camera, the tanks. And don't get thanks. I got the high. Thanks. I could get thanks for a day like that things like free I can do like usually it's safe for like the tank thanks like X-ray Okay, right. You're gonna and entering airplanes, but then you can't use the tanks, look at the tanks, think, so just need to get the coverage. So tanks, get the rings. But can't get some Sennheiser interchangeable. Okay, I think got to get the okay, okay. Got the right, you can see the plates, and it should be right. I think I don't think. But you got your right, you're doing right, and I don't have right, yeah, but that's right, it does like, it's doing the things, and if it's some stuff the ranks, like, the ranks, so I don't get the rank, you got like, the rank, and you got Sennheiser. Maybe get that thing. It doesn't say anything. So I think so this guy's it. Doesn't get Sennheiser. Listen to a guy headphones. So doesn't get that thing. Hope you guys set the guy. And if you guys get the train, try this guy like that date and current what the dangling and subscribe as well. Get the guy. I think the things so that the next video for you. Thanks for that, Tank. Bye-bye.